this. So we'll start regression first exercise 3.1. The HRD manager of a company wants to find a measure which he can use to fix the monthly income of person applying for the job. As an experiment project, he collected data of 7 persons from the department referring to the years of service and their monthly incomes. So years of service is X and monthly income is Y. This is the years of service and this is monthly income. Okay. You have to find, the first question is find the regression equation of income on years of service. Income on years of service means actually we want regression equation of Y on X. So regression equation of Y on X is Y minus bar Y is equals to BYX, X minus bar X. Bar X is summation X upon N. Bar Y is summation Y upon N. BYX is summation XY minus summation X summation Y upon N whole thing upon summation X square minus summation X bracket square upon N. So we want XY, we want X, we want Y, we want X square, we want Y square. So I'll say here, let us find out XY, let us find out X square, Y square. Okay. And I will also need summation XY. So I'll also have to add this thing. तो इनका मल्टीप्लाई करना है 11 into 10, so 110 is 56, 54, 25, 72, 42 and then 110. X square अभी फिलहाल तो मुझे लग रहा है तो मैं X square निकालूंगी 121, 49, 81, 25, 64, 36, 100. So you will add them. Add summation X. This will become 56. Summation Y is 56. Coincidentally, the addition is same. X square is 469. XY is, sorry, XY is 469. And X square is 136. This will be 476. Now we'll put this values here. तो बार X निकालेंगे हम लोग, बार Y, BYX, BXY निकालेंगे. तो ये हो जाएगा 469 minus 56 into 56. What is N? N is number of observations. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whole thing upon 7, whole thing upon. This X square is 476 minus 56 bracket square upon 7. You will solve this. Again, you will so find out bar X. Bar X will be 56 upon 7, that is 8. Bar Y is 56 upon 7, that is 8. तो इसको पहले निकालेंगे हम लोग इसकी वैल्यू को. तो ये तो हो जाएगा 469 minus 56 into 8. So 58 are 400 and 6 8s are 48. So 400 into 48, it will become 448. whole thing upon 476 minus 448. So this is denominator is 28 and 469 minus 448. Numerator is 21. 21, this will be 3s are 4s are. So this is 0.75. 3 by 4, that is 0.75, right? 7 के table में आएगा ये. So your b by x is 0.75 and bar x and bar y we have already got. So we'll find out the equation. Y minus 8 is equals to 0.75 x minus 8. So y minus 8, 0.75 x minus, so that is 6. So y is equals to 0.75x minus 6 plus 8. So y is 0.75x plus 2. This is your equation of y on x. अब उन्होंने दूसरा सम पूछा है, what initial start would you recommend for a person applying for a job after having served a similar capacity in another company for 13 years? मतलब अगर सर्विस ईयर x अगर 13 होगा तो y कितना होना चाहिए, ऐसे वो पूछ रहे हैं. तो उन्होंने बोला है कि अगर आपको ये पता है कि एक बंदे का ईयर ऑफ सर्विस 13 इयर्स है, तो उसका स्टार्ट इनकम कितना होना चाहिए. तो हम लोगों को y एस्टिमेट करना है. We are supposed to estimate y for given x. Y is equals to 0.75 x plus 2. यही इक्वेशन लेंगे हम लोग क्योंकि एस्टिमेट करना है y को फॉर गिवन x. तो अभी हम लोग x is equals to 13 है, तो y को कैसे एस्टिमेट करेंगे. y will be 0.75 into 13 plus 2. So 0.75 into 13 plus 2 is 11.75. Okay, so this is how we can estimate. Now they have said that monthly income is in 1,000. So this I will multiply with 1,000. So my income should be 11,750. तो आप इसके एंड में लिखोगे, thus the salary of a person who has 13 years of experience should be 11,750 as per the data. Different. For a certain bivariate data of 5 pairs, 3.1 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है ये. Observations are given. So n is 5 pairs of observation. Summation x is 20, summation y is 20, summation x square is 90, summation y square is 90, and summation xy is 76. And you have to find out covariance of xy. Byx and bxy. and standard deviation, sorry, R, that is correlation coefficient. Now we'll first try to find out covariance of XY. The formula for covariance is बहुत सारे फॉर्मूले हो सकते हैं. एक है कोवैरेंस का फॉर्मूला समेशन x माइनस बार x y माइनस बार y अपॉन स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन, सॉरी, अपॉन अंडर रूट summation x minus bar x bracket square under root summation y minus bar y bracket square. This is one of the formula of covariance. Another formula of covariance which is very popular is 1 upon summation x 1 by n into summation xy minus bar x bar y. तो यहाँ पे ये फॉर्मूला ज्यादा एप्लीकेबल होगा क्योंकि सारी इंफॉर्मेशन इधर दी है. तो 1 by 5 into 76 bar x is summation x upon n, so 20 by 5 is 4, so it will be 4 into 4. So it is 15.2 minus 16 and your answer will be minus 0.8. This is your covariance. You can use this formula also. But to use this formula, I should have this information. जो मेरे पास नहीं है इस सम में. इस सम में इस फॉर्मूला की इंफॉर्मेशन है, एक्स वाई है, बार एक्स है, बार वाई है, तो मैंने ये फॉर्मूला यूज कर लिया. So that's simple. Now you know how to find out byx and bxy. And then what is the formula for R? R is the correlation coefficient. It is under root byx into bxy. तो R के लिए हमको byx और bxy चाहिए. byx का फॉर्मूला क्या है? summation xy minus summation x summation y upon n whole thing upon summation x square minus summation x bracket square upon n. We have all these values. Similarly, you can find out bxy, that is summation xy summation x summation y upon n whole thing upon summation y square summation y bracket square upon n. Find out byx and bxy. Put it in the formula, find out R. Now, because you know how to find byx and bxy, so I will ask you to do it. Here byx is minus 0.4 and bxy is also minus 0.4. So R will be under root minus 0.4 into minus 0.4. So that will become minus 0.4 because R will have the same sign of byx and bxy. As per the properties of byx and bxy, R, byx and bxy all have same signs.